Hey, entrepreneurs and future business leaders. Ever wonder how to soak up essential wisdom that'll rocket your startup to success? Well, think about it this way: to become a literary master, you'd read Shakespeare, right? So, to become a top-notch entrepreneur, you've got to dive into the minds of business pioneers. Grab your bookmarks, because we're going on a literary journey through the must-read entrepreneurship books that will equip you with the tools to become the best in the market. Starting with Born to Shine by Kendra Scott, you'll learn the power of perseverance as you read how Scott went from door-to-door jewelry sales to leading a billion-dollar brand. Next, Made to Stick by Chip and Dan Heath breaks down the 6 traits that make ideas unforgettable, a goldmine for any entrepreneur. Got your attention? Good, because Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman is next, unraveling the mysteries of the human mind, critical for understanding your customers and yourself. And when it comes to reimagining the grind, The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss will challenge every notion of what it means to be successful and busy. Don't just build a business, build a legacy, with insights from Winners Never Cheat by John Huntsman, and learn the value of honesty and integrity in entrepreneurship. And for an unconventional twist, Jimmy Carr's Before and Laughter showcases the link between joy and success. Drowning in Traffic Woes? .com Secrets by Russell Brunson is your lifeline, showing you how to attract and keep customers. While Thrive by Arianna Huffington prompts a reflection on redefining success beyond wealth and power. For fiscal wisdom, it's The Psychology of Wealth, a must-read to maintain a healthy outlook on your finances. And let's not forget The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, where you'll discover the power of the minimum viable product and the lean methodology. Now, who wouldn't want to avoid the common pitfalls that drown many small businesses? E-Myth Revisited by Michael E. Gerber is the entrepreneur's Bible that dispels the myths surrounding starting your own business. Rework your approach to productivity with Rework by Jason Fried, and launch your venture from 0 to 1 with Peter Thiel, who stresses the importance of innovative thinking. Need a habit revamp? Atomic Habits by James Clear is all about the small changes that lead to massive successes. Finally, optimize your performance with Smarter, Faster, Better by Charles Duhigg, exploring the science of productivity to get more done with less. Entrepreneurs and ambitious self-starters, if these titles excite you, imagine what devouring the content can do for your business acumen. For links to these life-altering reads and more resources, head over to our BizStack page. Loved this rundown? Hit like, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts or book recommendations in the comments below. Remember, the best investment is in your own education. So enrich your mind, and your enterprise will flourish. Until next time, keep turning those pages and turning your dreams into reality.